Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to do the Bird of Paradise napkin fold. First, lay the napkin down in front of you. Step 2, we're going to bring the bottom corners to the top. Make the napkin lay flat. Step 3, we're going to bring the right to the left and fold it into quarters. Step 4, we're now going to take the open corners and we're going to bring it over. Step 5, we're going to rotate our napkin so that the open corners are up here. Turn your instructions over. Step 6, we're going to take the right corner, and unlike other napkin folds where we took it to the top, we're going to actually bring this one down. Use your fingers to help press the napkin flat. Step 7, we're going to repeat this. Yeah. And you can see how it's more of a diamond shape. Step 8, we're going to take these pieces and we're going to fold them under. There we go. Step 9, we're going to fold it in half. And step 10, our paradise bird is about ready to take flight. So you're going to hold the edge here and we're going to lift up the different layers. There we go. Turn it for the side so you can see. Now I'm going to set it up. So that is how you make a Bird of Paradise napkin fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.